Hello everyone, welcome to Geneva's Garden. I am Geneva. Today I was going to be showing you a look with my palette. So I'm going to be using the colors Starlit Golds, Honeysuckle Pink, and a Bronze to create kind of a molten lava look. I had already kind of done my hair, but I'm natural, so I had to go back over it. So first thing, I already put the brow gel in my eyebrows from Anastasia. It's awesome. And I used the color Chestnut from MAC to fill them in. So while she's doing that, I guess I'll give you some information about my palette. So my palette is handmade. There are colors that I found that I like, and then I made the colors come to life. So there are 6 colors. I'm probably going to do a series of videos doing different looks with the colors. For those who are interested in the palette, I'll have a link in the description so you can order. Because my palettes are handmade, you can request custom colors, like if you have somewhere to go. Now this is a MAC foundation, but I have a weird color, so it's hard. Like that was a little dark. I can see it. When I was looking in the moment, I couldn't tell it was a little dark, but I know I ultimately chose not to use it. And my sink is broken, even though they just fixed it, so I had to wet my little blender ball in the other bathroom. Now I use a 24-hour concealer from MAC, and it's awesome. But it's not like your cheap concealer, so I have to do one side at a time, or I'm gonna regret it. Like it's gonna dry to where I can't blend it out. So, and now I'm talking to Miss Kitty. That's her name. She was talking back, y'all, but she didn't want to hop up to give y'all a cameo. And I didn't start with putting foundation on because I have to do very light coverage makeup. Less is more in my case, because if I put on a lot, like, I'm gonna look terrible. It's gonna give old lady. It's not ever what I'm trying to give, okay? I was satisfied with my concealer coverage, okay? So, yeah, Maybelline Fit Me from way back in the day, that you can't beat Maybelline Fit Me. I don't care what nobody's saying. And again, it's really light coverage. That's why I'm not using like a brush. I'm putting a little bit on my blender ball on the other side just to hit the areas that don't have any concealer. I feel like it gives the same effect. I don't know. You'll see in the end. I really can't just do like all the layers of makeup. I take that back. I've only let my mom and I have 2 male makeup artists who can do my makeup and not make me look crazy. So I was using the MAC one at first, and on my cheeks it was kind of okay, but on my nose it gave like a really ugly shadow. Like it did not do what you would have wanted it to do. It was not right. Like it looked dark. That's like, that color is not my color. I had to add my concealer. Okay, so Fenty, using the Mocha Mami. That's usually what I use for my contour. Everything from Fenty is amazing. Like, Rihanna did her thing. Everything she sells is bomb. When she starts selling hair, I'm going to get some of that too, because everything she got, she took her time with. And it fixed. Okay, so you guys, this is my Genevas Garden palette. You can see all the colors. Again, I hand mixed and pressed all of these colors. So I'm very proud of this palette, actually. It came out really well. Like when I went and bought palettes in the store, they were like $40. My colors are coming out just as good as theirs. So I was very happy. And this is my first video, so don't kill me. You know, I'll figure out my camera angle, but I need to still be able to see in the mirror because I'm half blind, you guys. But even kind of far away, you can see like, and this is the honeysuckle pink that I'm putting on now. It's really pretty, like very complimentary to my gold skin. So now I'm going in with the bronze. And it looks really nice. It really looks nice on the camera. It's my first time really watching it back. Now, this is sped up, and I'm not going into the technique at all because this is not a tutorial. This is just to show off the colors of the palette. If a tutorial is needed, you can tell me in the comments. So this is the Starlit Gold. Do you see the pop? I could use that as a highlighter because I love a really gold highlighter. I like the extraness. And it was really simple, overdone and quick. And it set well. I'm very happy with the colors. And I was going on a little date, y'all. And my colors, everything stayed like fine. Like no problem. So let me tell y'all, I forgot about setting. You gonna see me go back and set. I'm putting on blush and everything, and I done forgot to put my setting powder on, child. And I was wondering why my face was looking like funny. It's looking funny here, but it was looking funny in person. But I was like, okay, let me just trust the process. Baby, there was nothing to be trusted. I had messed up. Okay, the pink looks a bit gaudy, but you know, it'll blend out well. All right, so Fenty again. I didn't see the color. I think that was Mo Honey. That's a awesome little highlighter my mama gave me. Again, don't play with Rihanna. Do you see the shine? Don't play with her. Like, do you see the shine? Like, me and Rihanna really need to work together. I got the colors. She got the product. We can get into it. All right, so I finally remember my setting powder. Again, it's also from Fenty. Like, I love Fenty. I don't care what nobody say about nothing. Like, she got the best makeup products. If you think I'm wrong, then send me something new, because Fenty does what it's supposed to do. Okay. All right, so now I'm sitting over here looking like a yellow ghost, but not for long. So blend, blend, blend. Blend for your life. And I'm like, oh, okay. This is the step I was supposed to do once I contoured. Yeah. Okay. I don't know what I was going to get. Oh, spray. All right, so I use the Anastasia Dewy Spray Setting Spray because I'm dry, so I use Dewy. I'm like, yeah, she's coming around. Like, and the eyeshadow colors, they set very well once I sprayed them. Like, because when I got home, I was lazy and I did not clean out the makeup. When I woke up the next day, the eyeshadow was in place. Don't play with me, okay? So this is a little, I think, Wanderlust little highlighter I'm putting on top, but okay, Rihanna's was the best base. This is just because I had to put on my setting powder late. So right now, I don't be waiting for my stuff to dry like it should, so I'm still not happy at the moment. And as you can see, my hair is frizzing up. It's making me mad, but whatever. Okay, redarkening my eyebrows. But the face is coming together. Do another spray. And I probably did another spray. Bring that face back to life. Alright, so I have a mole on my nose. I had to put it back. I don't like my mole disappeared. And I have a mole under my eyes, so I brought that one back. But I added one in my eyebrow. That one wasn't there. Alright, so I use Chestnut on my lip from MAC. That's my favorite lip liner. Like, this is my signature look that I'm finna do. And I need a new pencil. And I did a little fashion show for them, so they owe me a pencil, but they owe me a lot of stuff, but I just ain't went and got it. As you can see, I'm thinking I'm cute, child. Alright, so this is the completion of the look. Once I put my lashes on, probably spray again, fix my hair. I'll put pictures in the end of the finishing look and a close-up of the eye, because the eye is giving. I'm loving the eye. I'm kind of liking it without the lashes, but yeah.